There's one. He's just sitting in one place, just jumping. Oh, get away from all that junk. Oh, crap. Oh, he's out. Okay, no, he's not. Well, you were trying your hardest to get snagged up in that. All right, number 3. I think once the moss gets all over their face, they just stop fighting. Another little half-pounder on the rooster tail. I knew switching back to the rooster tail was the way to go. Another little half-pound fish. Fat. They have to be feeding up. They have to be about ready to spawn that. Whoop, get back in there.